It's Food O'Clock on Real Ale Craft Beer. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Domino's brand new, the absolute banger. This is a large pizza from Domino's that I ordered before 4 PM. Ordered it on the app and they gave it to me for $6.99. Absolute bargain. If you ordered this on the weekend, prime time, after 4 PM, it would cost you, blimey, I don't know, but look at that. They're normally like 15 quid a pizza. So I'm going to check it over there. Grab hold of a hot slice of pizza. So what we got on here, the absolute banger, it's pepperoni, fiery chorizo, sizzling sausage and smoky hot dog slices. And that's what we have. Mozzarella, cheese, fresh pizza. I mean, if you went to the supermarket and bought a pizza, it would cost you £4 or £5 for the frozen pizza. If you bought it fresh on the supermarket pizza counter, it would cost you £4 or £5, £5 maybe. For an extra £2, you get a freshly made, you know, where they stretch the dough, and I think it's marvellous, this price. And it's really nice too. Salty, quite salty, really nice. That pepperoni, show you the that to me looks like that bit of sausage. Processed, yes. Probably they grab a handful of them out of a package that they get delivered to their Domino shop, and they just sprinkle them on. But hey, you know, let's try this bit of hot dog. They reckon they've improved this piece of hot dog. We had the hot dog pizza last year. I thought it was fantastic with mustard on it. Oh, that is really good. Really good, smoky, flavoursome hot dog on there. Now, there's always an argument in this household. My wife and two kids, wife and three kids, one don't live with me. So normally we order pizza, this my wife and the two kids that are here. It's always a battle, what are we going to order? I like Chinese. I normally go for Chinese because I find if you order something like this on a Friday night, £15 a pizza, unless you can find some offer, it's generally 4 pizzas or 3 pizzas between 4 people. It could be anything up to 40 quid. And it's like, whoa, you know, that's quite a bit of money for pizza. Don't get me wrong. I like it. I like it. It's really tasty. It's really satisfying when you do shell out that money. It's like, yeah, I get it now. I get the quality. It's really good quality pizza. But to get this pizza, this large, it looks like a 15-inch pizza. It's huge. For $6.99, absolute bargain. Get this, I got greasy hands. There we go. Get this garlic dip open. Tasty. Right, next slice of pizza then. Yeah, the mozzarella, everything about this pizza is... And I went in the morning as well, so I went... what's the time now? 10 to 12. I was there by 11:30 this morning. And it's only me there. So they've got time to make you a decent pizza. And it was boiling hot. I drove it back in the car and the steam was flying out the box. So, shut the box, keep it warm. Mozzarella is really, really tasty. The hot dog is really, really tasty. Pepperoni slices, fantastic. The sausage, there's a little bit of sausage here, but you're gonna, you know, oh, it's all over my face, look. Look at that. You're gonna eat it on the pizza. Let's not. Last time we picked it off and ate it individually, it wasn't very good. But let's try it on the pizza. Yeah, really good. The tomato base, really, really nice and tomatoey. Good quality tomato base there. Always love their dip with a crust. That, for me, I'm going to smash in one more slice. That, for me, is the nicest Domino's pizza that I have ever had. Easily. I hope they keep this. I hope they keep it. I hope it stays on the menu for a long time. That is incredible pizza. The combination of everything, all of the different meats. Sausage meat, I'm a massive sausage fan. I like a good sausage fest, me. What was that film called? Sausage Party. That was cracking, wasn't it? But this pizza is just fantastic. I'm a massive sausage fan anyway, so I was going to love this. This is the best pizza I've ever had from Domino's. And it makes it all the better that it was £6.99. Download the app. Make sure there's an offers thing on the front page of the app. Use the offers. Unbelievable value. Oh. That might just be the best pizza I've ever eaten in my life. I think so. That was so good. So good. I'm going to be ordering that in the day when my wife's in work and the kids are in school. Because it's so cheap. No, if we ever have a pizza night, I reckon I would succumb to the £15 to pay for that pizza. It is terrific. For me, that's a Stone the Crows, and I can't believe I'm saying this. Stone the Crows, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for the, what's it called? The ultimate banger? 10 out of 10 for the absolute banger. 10 out of 10. Please put your Please put your comments in the comments box. Subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews. Give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom. Cheers.